Hello everyone. Welcome to Biotech Learning, your ultimate destination for exploring the wonders of science and biotechnology. In today's episode, we'll dive deep into one of the most fundamental units of life, the cells. We'll explore what a cell is, its origin, its discovery, types, and the incredible functions it performs. Let's get started. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. It's often referred to as the building block of life because every living organism is made up of one or more cells. From the simplest single-celled bacteria to complex multicellular organisms like humans, cells form the foundation of all living things. The origin of cells. How did cells come into existence? The origin of cells is closely tied to the origin of life itself. Scientists believe that the first cells emerged around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago during the early stages of Earth's history. These were likely simple, primitive cells called prokaryotes. Over billions of years, these cells evolved into more complex forms, leading to the diversity of life we see today. Discovery of cells. The story of cells begins in 1665, when scientist Robert Hooke observed cork tissue under a microscope and noticed small, box-like structures. He called them cells because they resembled the tiny rooms in a monastery. Later, in the 1830s, scientists Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann proposed the cell theory, which states, all living organisms are composed of cells. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in living things. All cells arise from pre-existing cells, added later by Rudolf Virchow. Types of cells. Cells can be broadly classified into two main categories based on their structure: prokaryotic cells, simple and smaller cells. No membrane-bound organelles. Examples, bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells, larger and more complex cells. Contain membrane-bound organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, and more. Examples, plant, animal, fungal, and protist cells. Functions of a cell. Cells perform a variety of functions essential for life. Let's look at some of their major roles. Energy production. Mitochondria in eukaryotic cells generate energy through cellular respiration. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes produce proteins, which are essential for growth and repair. Growth and division. Cells divide to create new cells, enabling growth and repair of tissues. Transport. The cell membrane controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Communication. Cells communicate with each other through chemical signals, ensuring the body functions as a coordinated system. Waste removal. Lysosomes break down and recycle cellular waste. Conclusion. In conclusion, cells are the foundation of life as we know it. They carry out all the processes necessary to sustain life, from producing energy to enabling growth and reproduction. Understanding cells not only helps us appreciate the complexity of life but also paves the way for groundbreaking discoveries in biotechnology and medicine. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning about cells, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Biotech Learning.